Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be giving you guys an update on our dividend portfolio for the month of October 2020. As we do in every month, I'll be going through each dividend payment received for the month and going through the dividend portfolio at a high level while talking about any changes I made during the month. As you guys know, I've been looking to do some portfolio reviews for you guys, and we almost have enough people for our first video. If you want to be in the first ever portfolio review episode, make sure you drop your M1 Finance portfolio links in the comment section below. And if you haven't signed up for M1 Finance yet, make sure you use the link in the description below to get $10 when you fund your account within 30 days. With that said, thanks for all your support on the channel, and let's jump into the portfolio update for the month of October. In October, due to the timing of the payments from our investments, we only received dividend payments from 3 individual companies. On October 15th, we received dividends for both of our REIT holdings. Realty Income Corp, ticker symbol O, paid us $2.28, and WP Carey, ticker symbol WPC, paid us $3.48. Then, about a week later, our third real estate holding, Toll Brothers, ticker symbol TOL, paid us $1.43. With all these added up, our dividend income for the month of October was $6.07. However, we did have a new source of passive income in this month, and that was $10 thanks to one of you guys using the M1 Finance sign up in the description. Let me know if you guys want me to include any of these referral bonuses in the total for the month. I'm leaning towards no because it'll kind of throw off the trends that we're seeing in the dividend payments, but it is technically passive income, so I can see it either way. I'll keep it out of the mix right now for this month, but let me know if you guys agree or disagree moving forward. Now, if we add this month's total to our monthly chart, we can see that it was kind of another, I would say down month, since in September, we made over double what we made this month. However, I've redesigned these charts to better tell the dividend story, and you guys can see in the month of September, we made so much in dividends because 8 individual holdings paid us dividends, compared to the 3 that paid us this month. Also, M1 Finance tells you when you earn dividends, and you can look up when those dividends should be made, so I can project out some of the dividends we'll be receiving in November and December. But I wanted to draw your attention to a specific part of my portfolio, and that's the dividends paid by Realty Income Corp, because they are my only current holding that pays out monthly dividends. Realty Income Corp has consistently been one of my largest holdings right behind JP Morgan Chase in the portfolio. And during the time that I've owned them, the dividend payment per share owned has not increased at all. But as I've consistently deposited $150 per week into this account, my dividend payment has been increasing. In August, they paid me $1.56 since I owned 6.7 shares at that time. Then in September, they paid me $1.94 when I had 8.3 shares. In October, they paid me $2.28 for owning 9.7 shares of the company. And in November, they will be paying me $2.50 for owning 10.7 shares of their company. This trend in Realty Income Corp's dividend payments, and hopefully this whole portfolio, just goes to show the power of consistent deposits, because in February, this portfolio didn't exist. And through weekly deposits, consistently over time, it's been able to grow into a substantial amount of money. Right now, our total holdings value sits at $6,711.46, with an additional $13.58 held in cash. So the full portfolio is worth $6,725. Since the inception of the portfolio, we've deposited $5,850, earned $69 in dividends, and gained $800 through share price appreciation. Since the last update, the allocation between industries or sectors has not changed at all. Real estate has a target allocation of 25% of my portfolio, financials has a target of 20%, tech 14%, industrials 11%, consumer 10%, healthcare at 8%, and energy and utilities and telecom are both at 6%. However, during this month, we did have one large change within one of these slices. I talked about it in the video released on Thursday, but we ended up exiting our position in Facebook. If you guys want to know why I made that change specifically, you should see the video pop up above right now. When this trade was made, our tech portfolio was rebalanced, and the screenshot on the screen now can show you how much of each was purchased with the proceeds of the Facebook sale. In our tech slice right now, we have 55% allocated to Oracle and 45% allocated to Microsoft, because the dividend payment by Microsoft is pretty small at 1% dividend yield. This brings the dividend yield for the whole portfolio up above 3%. There's also one more change that will be coming to the portfolio in the next week, but I specifically did not make that change yet, so the analysis video can be released first. As a little teaser, the change will be taking place in our real estate slice, and it won't be a small 5 to 10% allocation change, but it will substantially affect the allocation of this industry's investments. A quick note before we end the video. As mentioned in the beginning, I wanted to connect with you guys more to see what stocks you guys like and your style of investing. And I think the best way to do that is through portfolio reviews. These videos will consist of a few portfolios per video, and we already have a couple submissions, so make sure that if you want to make it into the first video, to drop your portfolio links in the comments. Make sure to get your 10 free dollars from M1 Finance, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn post notifications on so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one.